Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'll be giving you a complete beginner's tutorial on MindMeister, one of the best online tools for mind mapping and brainstorming. MindMeister facilitates planning and collaboration through visual representations of concepts and ideas. It provides a platform to create, share, and present mind maps. In this tutorial, we will explore everything you need to know about MindMeister. First, we'll talk about what MindMeister is and what it can do for you. Then, I'll guide you through the sign-up process and guide you to set up your account. We'll also explore the dashboard. Then, I'll explain what a mind map is and how to create one. Finally, I'll discuss how to integrate MindMeister with other platforms. So let's get started. First, let me give you a brief overview of what MindMeister is. MindMeister is a powerful web-based mind mapping application that lets users create, share, and present ideas in a visually appealing and effective way. It can be used for brainstorming, project planning, meeting management, and more. It provides various features, some of which include templates, collaboration, integration, customization, and cloud storage. MindMeister is widely utilized across various industries, from education to marketing and technology. It's super useful for startups and small to mid-sized enterprises that prioritize innovation and collaborative work environments. Now, let me show you how you could sign up for a brand new MindMeister account. It's pretty simple to sign up for MindMeister. Simply search for mindmeister.com using any web browser. This will bring you straight to the official MindMeister website. Once on the homepage, in the top right corner, click on the Sign Up button. You can use your work email, Google account, or Microsoft account. Choose the option that's easier for you. For now, I'll sign up with a Google account to make the process simple and quick. Check the privacy policy and then activate your account from your email. Next, you have to personalize your account by answering a few questions. Firstly, how you will use MindMeister. Select your option and click Next. I'm choosing the personal option. Then, give your team a meaningful name. If you want to invite team members, enter their email addresses and then click Next. After that, you'll be redirected to your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your mind maps. Before we start creating though, let's take a quick tour of the dashboard. The MindMeister dashboard is your control center, where you can access your mind maps, create new ones, and organize everything efficiently. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the navigation menu with the main features. The Team Maps section is where you can access mind maps that are shared with the team. If you're working on a collaborative project, you'll find all of your shared maps here. The My Maps section contains all of the mind maps you've created or worked on. It's your workspace where you can access save projects. The public section is where you can browse publicly shared mind maps created by other users. This is great for inspiration or finding templates that might help your project. And that's an overview of the dashboard. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. Alright, back to the video. Let me now show you how you can create mind maps. Have you ever tried to organize your thoughts or ideas in a fun, visual way? A mind map is a great tool for that. It's like drawing a picture of your ideas, with one big idea in the middle and smaller ones branching out from it. This simple method helps you see how your thoughts connect and can be really helpful when you're brainstorming or planning a project. Click the plus blank map option. Clicking this will take you to a blank canvas where you can start building your mind map from scratch. The interface is user-friendly and designed to help you get your ideas down quickly without feeling overwhelmed. In the center of this blank space, you'll find a main topic node that serves as your starting point. By default, this node is labeled My New Mind Map, but you can easily change that. Just click on the node and type in a new name that reflects your central idea or theme. Once your main topic is set, you can start adding related ideas or subtopics. To add a new idea, simply click on the plus button next to your main node, or hit the tab key on your keyboard to create a new child node. This new node is connected to your central topic, showing how it branches out from your main idea. MindMeister also lets you customize your nodes to make your mind map both appealing and easier to understand. You have the option to change the colors, icons, or even the style of each node using the toolbar that appears above or around them. These customization features not only make your mind map look great, but also help you quickly differentiate between various ideas or categories. If your ideas need to be rearranged, you can simply drag and drop the nodes to place them in a more logical order. In addition, MindMeister includes handy features like attaching links, images, or files directly to the nodes. This means you can add extra information or resources that support your ideas all in one place. On the right side of the editor, you'll see a toolbar. This toolbar is filled with tools to help you shape your mind map just the way you want. One of the first tools is the Add Floating Topic option. This tool lets you add extra ideas that might not fit directly into the main branches. It's a flexible way to jot down thoughts that may be important later on, but aren't directly related to the main idea. Another option is the layout. If you click this, you can change the way your mind map looks. You can choose a classic mind map layout, switch to an organizational chart, or even use a list format. This is great because you can experiment with different layouts until you find the one that best fits your style or the way you want to present your information. The themes option is another cool feature in MindMeister. Themes allow you to change the colors and overall look of your mind map. For example, if you like warm and inviting colors, you might choose the sunset theme. This not only makes your mind map look nice, but it also keeps you inspired as you work on it. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see other options. The share button lets you share your mind map with others. The present option allows you to preview your mind map. If you want to export your mind map, then click on the export icon. Finally, let's discuss how to integrate your MindMeister account with other platforms. If you want to integrate your MindMeister account with other platforms, locate your profile at the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the profile icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose the account option to open your account settings. Inside the account settings, you'll see several sections. Look for the Services and Sessions section. This is where you manage all the services connected to your account. In this section, you'll find a list of platforms like Google, Microsoft, Apple, and BiggerPlate that you can integrate with MindMeister. Next to each service, there's a button that lets you either connect or configure it, depending on whether it's already linked to your account or not. For instance, if you want to connect your Google account, just click the Configure button next to Google. If you're looking to connect your Microsoft, Apple, or BiggerPlate account, simply click the Connect button next to the one you want. Follow the instructions that pop up on the screen to finish setting it up. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be able to access MindMeister using your preferred accounts. This integration not only makes logging in easier, but also enhances your overall experience. MindMeister is a powerful web-based mind mapping application that lets users create, share, and present ideas in a visually appealing and effective way. It can be used for brainstorming, project planning, meeting management, and more. It provides various features, some of which include templates, collaboration, integration, customization, and cloud storage. MindMeister is widely utilized across various industries, from education to marketing and technology. It's super useful for startups and small to mid-sized enterprises that prioritize innovation and collaborative work environments. And that's it for this tutorial. Today we covered everything you need to know as a beginner to get started with MindMeister. We covered the sign up process and explored the dashboard. Then we learned about mind maps, how to create them, and even how to integrate your MindMeister account with other platforms. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful in understanding the basics of using MindMeister. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your experience using MindMeister, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.